Welcome back to my channel. This is Ahuna, and today before I start showing what I made, I want to ask all the viewers one question. Do you trust all the news that you hear from social media? All news are not real in social media, right? So how will you detect fake news? And the answer is really simple. It is Python. By practicing advanced Python projects of detecting fake news, you will easily make a difference between real and fake news. So before moving ahead, I also want to let you know the libraries I use. So I used the libraries pandas and sklearn, and I also used a data set which was made in teachable machines. I will add the data set under this video. And now I'm going to start and I'm going to share screen what I made. So here we go. I will go through this code slowly and please feel free to pause if required. So the code is not really a big code. It's a really small code and it looks really small, but it does a really big task for us, which is detecting fake news. Now I will run this code and then we will see the output. So these are the fake and the real news numbers. It's also giving me the numbers. So it could detect the fake and real news with an accuracy of 92.82%, which is a pretty high accuracy. And this is the positive news, which is good news, and this is negative news, which is bad news. So there are 588 real positive news. What do I mean by positive news? It is basically good news. And there are 50 fake news, but they are good news. And in the second part, which is the bad news or the negative news, there are 41 fake news and 588 real news. So let me also tell you one more thing. I also did sentiment analysis in this code, and that helped me understand which type of news are good news and which type of news are bad news. And thank you for watching this video.